Okay, so let's take a look at this pool deck we're doing today. Going to remove the Chattahoochee, or AKA River Rock, whatever you want to call it. But this is basically River Rock with resin. And we're going to remove all of this. It's in really bad shape and it's time to upgrade. So if you need your River Rock Chattahoochee removed, you can give us a call, 561-907-9541. We cover all of South Florida, okay? And something like this is about $3,900, give or take, depending on what's going on, okay? Because we don't know how many layers are in here and stuff like that, and what kind of resin was used and blah, blah, blah. So it's a lot of work. It's more than you think it is, trust me. Right here we have 2 layers actually of Chattahoochee, so it's going to be pretty thick, and we got to walk it through the house and out the main door. Let me show you. You can't go around here because these houses are packed together, so we got to go through this door out here, okay, and then we got to go over here to where we're going to have a little dumpster over here. So anyway, that's how we do it. Keep it clean, keep it looking good, and professional. 561-907-9541. Y'all have a great day.